Is this YouTuber telling the truth? He only trades the green early entry candles and has minimal losses. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Bo with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Also check the description for some valuable resources. I stumbled across this video by Set It and Forget It Trading, and he's talking about how he uses the Squeeze Pro indicators, and in particular at the 6-minute 40-second mark he explains how he trades the early entry candles only. So go ahead and take a listen.
But for me, I usually only look for green bars. It means it's typically ready to fire, should be firing one way or another, and it's really going to take off. So while that may limit me on the amount of trades I make, some days I don't find any trade, or I'm really struggling to find a trade, and that's because I'm only looking for this green bar.
Okay, so now you heard him say that he only trades those green bars. Now looking at my chart, this is a daily chart for BIIB, and I wanted to talk a little bit about those early entry green bars that Set It and Forget It Trading just spoke of. We have a green bar right here, and the green bar appears when the squeeze is about to fire. It is a signal to let the trader know to enter the trade before the squeeze fires. This indicator is called the early in and out indicator by Simpler Trading. After hearing what this young man said about trading just the green candles, I tested it for 1 month to see if he was telling the truth. At the end of my 1 month test, overall the strategy did work. However, the YouTuber did not specify a time frame to use this strategy on, so I tried it out on different time frames. I tried it out on the 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and daily. I found it to be most reliable on the 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour. I actually had more losses than wins on the daily and the 30-minute. To conclude, I would incorporate this strategy. I would recommend using the strategy in conjunction with others. The YouTuber did specify that he looks at the squeeze histogram and he looks at the EMAs are stacked. So of course, having confluence gives you a better chance of success. You have to remember that the green candle, just because it appears, it doesn't tell you what direction the squeeze is going to fire in. So you have to use those other indicators to help you determine which way it's going to fire. That is all I have to say about this video from Set It and Forget It. I thought it was an excellent video. If you go ahead and watch his entire video, he gives you more information about how he uses stack EMAs, how he uses the Squeeze Pro. But what really stuck out to me was trading these green candles, which are the early entry candles. Thank you all for watching. Definitely check out my Discord server. The link is in the description. See you all next time. If anything helped you in this video, do me a favor and subscribe. It lets me know to keep giving you guys great content. See you all next time.